friends, myself Mrs. Nimisha Nitin Srivastav. Welcome to ACE Academy. Today we learn method to solve the quadratic equations of lesson number 4 quadratic equations of Maths Class 10 NCERT. So second method to solve the quadratic equation is using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is used to solve the quadratic equation. The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So to solve this quadratic equation, or we can say to find the values of this quadratic equation, we use formula which is called as a quadratic formula. So that formula which is used to find the values of this quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where this x is unknown, b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, c is the constant term. Here a should not be equal to 0. This is the condition while using the quadratic formula. Here b square minus 4ac is called as delta, or we can say that this is discriminant. This delta is discriminant. If delta is greater than 0, then we get two real roots. If delta is equal to 0, we get single repeated root, or we can say that we get single repeated value or single repeated root, that is real root. If delta is less than 0, then there will be no root, or we can say we cannot get the value of the quadratic equation. So there will be no real root if delta is less than 0. So these are the conditions while using the quadratic formula. So let's see an example. That is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we compare this quadratic equation with general form of the quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So value of a is here 2. So we can write here as a is equal to 2 and value of b is equal to minus 5 and value of c is equal to 3 in this equation. So we put these values in this quadratic formula. After putting these values, we get minus sign here. The value of b is minus 5 plus minus. Now here under root b square means minus 5 square minus 4. Value of a is 2 and value of c is here 3. 2a, value of a is 2. Now we find delta here. So value of delta is b square minus 4ac. So b is here minus 5. So we do square of minus 5. Minus 4. Value of a is 2 and value of c is 3. So we get b square minus 4ac as 25 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So we get value of delta as 1. So the delta is greater than 0. Since 1 is greater than 0, therefore delta is greater than 0. Hence we get here two real roots. Now after putting value of delta equal to 1, let's see the value of x. Now after putting values, we know that delta is equal to 1. So we get value of x is equal to 5 plus minus 1 upon 2 2s are 4. So we can write here as x is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 4 and x is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 4. Therefore, x is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 4 and x is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 4. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 4 and x is equal to 4 upon 4. Therefore, x is equal to, after simplification, we get 3 upon 2 and x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 2 and x is equal to 1 are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.